Spanish Town, about to interview Delro Jarrett, you all might know as Hittis. Take a walk. It is
I wouldn't. I don't know that voice.
Mr. Morrows.
Sean, are you call me by the name there?
Yeah, that's your name. You ready?
Sometime. How will I do it?
Can you run a shop?
Let's go.
So, who is Hittis?
Well, this is Mr. Morrows in the Bartender. But my real name is Delro Jarrett. See me here. And I play the role of the ghetto youth protector. You know, united we standing. Ghetto youth provider. See a man face, but you can't see him heart. All about the youth them in the ghetto, cause really and truly I am from the ghetto. And I really believe in every youth where I come from nothing can reach to the sky seeing.
So, what would be the difference between Hittis and Delro?
Delro is more of a jovial person. We always love to see people laugh. Kind, loving, caring. It is now. You just want to go troublemaker. We did in a show I go and do him thing. Always a double cross people and then look something. I feel like Delro is more nicer than Hittis still in a real life.
How would you describe your involvement in the Bartender? What do you think about your character?
I like the role I play because it's all about positivity. You know, and always I try to move the community to another level.
Tell us a little about that. Your beaded work.
I have the passion for craft when I was around from a tender age, but started learning it when I was around 16, 17. Yeah, I meet two brothers, and it's like them come to me one day to come borrow something. And I see them in some rasta chain like these and things, and I say, oh, no get them there. Badges and stuff. And they introduced me to the work and I say, alright, up the road with them and I do some work. You know. So anytime you feel free, you can pass through and come see what I go on. And from there, it's like every day I'm there up the same way, you see it. Look a few times first until you know what creativity is all about. So by looking, you can learn. And from you start learning the basic and thing, you can go far in it. You see, you just think about it and you put it to reality.
So that means you can show me how to
Yeah, man. I actually have one whole heap of students too.
Alright, so I'm going to go, I'll be going to class. So, apart from the beaded work, what else do you do?
Well, I used to be a footballer, yeah? Play for a couple sides. But differently, my real passion is for music. Yeah, because it's like a bond with that in my blood. I get that from my father, you know, my sister. Most of my family from my father's side same way. So I did really bond with the music. Yeah. Family I like 6 me always a knock pan. Make up song for people if the breeze blew past me too hard, I make up song for it. Any little thing, most of the things that I really can because I can't really like sit down and talk about certain things. I'm very emotional. So most of the things I would want to sit down and say it to a person. I more like to sit down and write it in a song or talk about it in my music.
So, Delro Jarrett, artist / actor / footballer, a man with many talents. How were you introduced to the Bartender?
You're so nice. And I want to say I got introduced to the Bartender by Jenny, yeah? Jenny, the character godmother.
How
I want to tell you, sir, one day I get up to go to the studio, you know, but through me and Janelle, baby father now our best friend to see him. Me and him do music and likewise Butcher caption, which is righteous. See? So I was like, go over him yard now and day over there and they wait for him. So I pop up on YouTube, message Janelle face. So I say, which movie this? Godmother in a. Because Godmother she go by in the movie, you see, so I just use the name.
Are you come link, you know?
So me now sit down there now taking the movie because I always like to follow Father Villa. Anything where I'm there, I always like to take him in. You see me, it's a man who I look up to from your youth and things said way. So I say, yeah, Xpressionz I do the movie. I see what I go on in there. You see it?
We figure out how we can give the bartender every day. That's gonna be the New Year's gift. We figure out how we can give the bartender.
I mean, they say, Janelle come out and I say, you watch that movie too? She never knew the first time I watch it still. And I say, you know, say, I just see it. And she said to me, say, me in it, you know? Yeah, that was it. Me never see her in there. I think I start watching it show, I see Xpressionz production. And I watch Corner Shop.
Come to pay my bill and start a fresh one. I'm hungry from morning, my belly touch my back.
She say, yo, me in a movie, you know? So she go say that to me, you know. Me I say, then me now have to go see for your role where you play in a movie and them thing there.
Sell weed and do some other little juggling stuff. My mother used to juggle. And my little sister, me never want a lifestyle affair, so me have to do what me have to do.
So Butcher come now and say, well, we're ready for go studio there, you know. I said to Butcher, I soon come. You see it? The man them go away and come back. You see it and come back. When they come back about one next 2 hours past that, they see me in a phone state to see me and they say, yo. And the studio you come for go Bridget. Me I say, yeah man, I watch a little party first. And the next episode I watch and then I'm ready. You see it? And the man them say, alright, when you're ready you forward. And then go away and end up come back there. Me end up not go to the studio there, man. The whole day I sit down and watch Bartender.
Jala, when do you make you do me that?
And by about 2 days after that, Janelle say, Father Villa really want 2 characters with her to play one bodyguard role. You see it, I did familiar with the role that she play and thing and about her sister thing and them things. So I say, she know me is a yes man, you know. I don't mean like I can program me, you know, but she know me did the right through and from me now do nothing she call for me. I go turn up, you see it?
You're willing to hear what the man them have to say, because hear what. I want the war to stop.
I call Butcher man, Butcher say, you know some want shave? Like I'm telling you, you see it, because I want a little bit of hair with the on film face, you know if you can see it good. But I know a film style already, you see me? Me was the man now when me take on anything, then we lead back first and look little first until, you know? It wasn't like that. I take on anything, because from me at 13, I start taking on bigger than me.
So, do you draw any inspiration from anyone in particular from the bartender?
I learn a lot from the bigger actors, them like the more professional actors, them in the bartender. Yeah.
And in doing your role, how do you prepare yourself to play the role of Hittis?
But that's why I'm always ready, you know. Yeah, I'm always ready. I'm always excited about a scene. So, I always have the mind frame like, I just sit down and wait for them to get the call every day if you say, yeah, a time for go shoot. I'm always ready. I always know the frame of mind to go work. Yeah, even one idea them, I remember me there, a me pen. You know, I don't a me pen and do some work and I tell you. Godmother said, just link me anytime a time for a shoot. And when I get the call and reach up here about 4 hours before a shoot. And I wait, so yeah.
And what has that been like, you being around other cast members on set? How has that been?
Well, it's been good because they have they all have some nice personalities. Yeah, I never get no bad vibes yet. And I never get, it's like a family thing. So I always love to be around them. I love to see when everyone will enjoy. You see it. So see them as family, you see it? Yeah.
If you were to switch roles with one of the actors in the show, who would that be?
Well, I play one police role, you know. Yeah, man, I switch with Whisper. Yeah, some adventures, you know. So I take Whisper space one at a time, then, man. I'm going to play like a police role too.
So, if your character was to have a catchphrase, what would it be?
You see what I say? You understand what I say? You see that? I don't know how that love me so. It's like everything me say me have to say. You understand what I say? You understand what I say? So I just say I hate that still because every time I talk, I say, yo, you see what, you understand what I say? You get what I say? Sometimes my father up here tell me, say, look here, let off some of them, man. We have to go cut it off, you know, when we don't say.
So who would you say is your favorite actor or actress in The Bartender?
I always enjoy the character them and them role with them I play. You see it. But you see Shepherd.
Kuya. Me no normal, you know. You can swim now if you want. Or you can put some snook inside yourself to swim and then you take them out and kill them and make breakfast or whatever you want to make with them.
And Father Villa. What's your name? Numbers.
I'm going to tell you something. I'll go down there for them here right now.
No.
Yo, man, the body, man. And Trevor.
Yo, I see. Me a call girl clown.
Them bad, so. I have to go put the three of them up there and go choose from one of them now.
So, for now, it's 3 actors that you have in mind to choose from being your favorite.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's our next question for you. If you were to have a romantic love interest, who would it be?
What about a nice girl in a bartender? Yeah? I man like me, I love woman, so. I love her for what I character in a bartender, you know? Yeah. But I love them as family still, I'm not lie you. So when I say that thing, I look for auntie, I look for cousin, I look for sister, I look for, hey, I want the new girl there. We are part with Tony.
And what's the funniest thing that has ever happened to you on set?
Jesus Christ. We do a scene where Vicious was supposed to approach World Bling. Vicious just dead there and see World Bling a walk on. Father never give it that in a script, you know. You see it? But the man say, oh, this arm if you go there, go this arm him, you know? And you know Vicious go on already. And Vicious yes and can't keep steady. And me there I look for Vicious and I say, yo. I said to myself, yo, Vicious can't calm down like when I move so. And by the time the man then say, yo, action. You see me I get a pre-run. By the time the man I walk I come down the road in a man. Vicious reach out in a Migler road already, you know, stay so. You see it? And yo! And by the time he do some point for World Bling, man. The man this Vicious and kick out Vicious 2 foot off the ground. Vicious say, oh, that can't go in a show. That can't go in a scene.
You know how long we not see the boy at charge. Where am I dealing?
That was one of the funniest moments I had.
And despite all the acting and all the fun that you guys have, what was one of the most challenging moments you've had when filming?
Is to catch a couple short lines. I understand, I don't really say, as what I say, I wouldn't say challenging because I love what I do. So I always in the frame of mind to say, yeah. The other them come like Jimmy Cliff, the other them fall. So I always embrace myself for any challenge. Yeah, but the most things that give a problem still are a few little line. Like if we say two sitting now, we say two over and over and over and over and over and over. Like say you have one long amount and we get that one long line and thing and we say it out. Yeah. You see it, so just that focus have a lot to do with it. So from a focus, there's not much I can say about when I come and set. Me always ready. And me always ready for challenge them. Yeah. I love challenges. Like me like when me I take on things and it bother me. Yeah.
And how has your character evolved over the course of the series?
Well, it evolve a lot. As I say, when I go home and I watch my film, then I try advance on it, you know? And I hear from like other co-workers and things whenever them watch it to them like say, yeah, Hittis, you know, say that scene the way you do that scene there very good. And like when we go out in the street and we talk to like some of the fans them always a reason with me and I tell them say, you know, me I watch you grow from Yasso to Yasso. So me I pray so me can go this so. Go up this so till big like Bob.
So pertaining to your beaded crafts, would you mind showing us what it is that you have been doing, how you go about doing it? Showing us anything new that you have started?
Can show you a few things so actually can make you make something for yourself. Because your neck look low on the board too. Want to try something? Come here. Show you. I like showcase my talent. Yes, so this is the latest design I got over here. Yeah, I've been working on these since lately. Yeah, a different style. I put some little word initial in them. Yeah, so them always say Rasta with just Rasta alone. Like say Rasta color alone and not pendant, no nothing for bring it off. So as you can see, I put a little shell in it. If your name JJ, you can take that one. Your name JJ? Okay. Good same way. These now I use the clear bead with these pearl black. Yeah. These are the clear beads. I'm going to show you how to make shan. Yes? You don't mind making one, right?
No.
Okay. I'm looking at work right now, you know? And I have a lot more coming in, shipment coming in, so I really need 2 more hands.
So come.
That's one more week.
Where the shan then? The shan.
This is too big for shan going on, man.
No? What do you mean?
No, look. You have to put on the shan before. My name knows you have to put the shan in the neck.
No, shan go yourself. The shan go yourself.
You have to put the shan right here.
I do it different. Everybody
Okay.
live in a make mine at the
You
end.
can do like that.
Yeah.
It's how you like it. Well, she made it. I'm just putting it on for her. Yeah, she got use. It's nice. I like this. Well, you got the job here. That was your interview, so now you officially have the job full time. I work from Sundays to Sundays.
No dear?
No day off.
I like how that sounds.
And Sunday are the day when we count the money.
Anyway, it was a pleasure having this interview with you. Hope to see you soon again.
Thank you. The pleasure was all mine. It was nice that I could make you like my interview. So, bye.